Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, today's video having great content. The trending items. One thing special about today's video. In this video, in the beginning, we have added very beautiful and unique video clips. And from the mid, we will start some unique, outstanding and beautiful pictures collection for special for you. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon so that you can find such type of unique and beautiful videos. Crochet handbags offers a variety of benefits, making them a popular choice for both crafters and consumers. Here are some benefits of crochet handbags which we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is unique design. Really, it's very specific point for you. Each handbag can be customized, resulting in one of a kind piece. Variety of style. Available in many shapes, size and patterns to suit personal tastes. Sustainable. Often made from eco-friendly materials, reducing environmental impact. Lightweight. Generally lighter than leather or fabric bags, making them easy to carry. Durability. Quality crochet can withstand daily wear and tear. Versatile. Suitable for casual outings, beach trips, or formal event depending on the design. Creative expression allows for personal creativity in color and pattern selection. Budget friendly. Can be made at home, saving money compared to store-bought options. Dear viewers, from now we will start very unique and beautiful picture collection special for you. Really, each picture will be the most beautiful from the previous. So don't skip this video and watch this from start to end. Skill development enhances crafted skills, can lead to new hobbies. Customizable size easily adjusted to fit personal needs and preferences. Seasonal appeal can be made in seasonal color and pattern for different occasions. Good for gifting. Handmade bags make thoughtful personalized gift. Functional pockets can be designed with pockets for better organization. Soft texture offers a soft, cozy feel that are pleasant to the touch. Adaptable materials can be made from yarn, cotton, or recycled materials. Keep in touch with our channel. Thank you for watching.